Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be making spinach green rice. This is another way to add color to your rice and also to encourage children to eat vegetable. It is so easy to prepare and healthy. Stay tuned and find out how I make this. For this, I'll start by seasoning my chicken. So I've already added salt, stock cube, thyme, and my blended mixture, which is onion, pepper, ginger. Then I'll cover the pot and allow it to cook. When the meat is tender, I will remove the chicken from the chicken stock, set aside, grill or fry the chicken. Then I'll be washing my rice. When I'm done washing the rice, I will sieve it and set aside. Adding the washed rice into the boiling water and cook for about 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, I will wash the rice with cold water, then drain and set aside. Into a preheated pot, I'll be adding some oil, curry powder, my sliced onion, and fry for about 2 minutes. Onion is still frying, I'll add the stock cube, white pepper powder, then I'll add the chicken stock, stir and cover and allow to boil. After boiled, I'll be adding the washed parboiled rice, stir together and cook on a medium heat. When the rice is cooking, I'll wash the spinach. Washing the spinach, I'll be adding my sliced onion, scotch bonnet and the spinach into the blender. Add some water and blend. Blending, I'll set aside. When you notice that the water in the rice have reduced, I'll be pouring in the blended spinach mixture. Stir everything together. Spinach green rice. You can use any green vegetable of your choice like kale leaf, pumpkin leaves. Cover with foil paper and allow to cook slowly. After about 5 minutes, the rice is ready. Finally, the green spinach rice is ready. It tastes so delicious. I hope you try this and give me feedback. You can also enjoy it with any sauce of your choice. I'll be using my homemade pepper chicken sauce for this. Thank you all for watching and stay tuned for more interesting videos.